Hello, myself Bharat Kumar. Today I am going to explain case study on acute coronary syndrome. So first of all, we know what is acute coronary syndrome. Coronary syndrome is a sudden reduce of blood flow in heart, onset condition. It can be heart attack or myocardial infarction. So in this, cell death result, or it can be cell tissues will be destroyed from heart. So according to symptoms, there is symptom will be angina, pressure on chest, tightness and burning feeling in chest, and pain will go from shoulder to arms, and it can go to the back, neck and jaw and abdomen and at the neck also. And other symptom like nausea, vomiting, degitation, dyspnea, heavy sweating also, and feeling restlessness. So today we have a case. 60-year-old man have to admit by the ambulance to the emergency department. Symptom is sudden onset of shortness of breath, and according to history, he have no past history of any acute coronary syndrome or any cardiovascular disease. So further investigation, there is hemoglobin is 158 gram per liter, WBC is 17.1, and sodium is 136, potassium is 4 ml per mole liter, and EGFR is 73 ml per minute, and arterial blood gas is pH 6.98, and we have to investigate instrumental diagnosis. So we focus on that according to topic. First of all, we conduct the ECG. So according to ECG, there will be sinus tachycardia with the left ventricle hypertrophy, and after that ultrasound, it will be shown global hypokinesia with the left ventricle and severe systolic dysfunction and apical thrombus, and coronary angiograms done. So it shows the severe arterial stenosis of left main coronary artery. And according to the treatment, so treatment starts from the ambulance. So according on the way, they given salbutamol and ipratropium, and also they given hydrocortisone intravenously 100 gram and intravenously 40 gram of furosemide. And in emergency department, they put him on ventilation of 15 liters oxygen, and on the ventilator they given again to salbutamol 0.5 mg and magnesium sulfate 2 grams and 500 mg 0.9% normal saline. And after that, there is according to the symptom and investigation, instrumental and laboratory, they did not got any cardiovascular disease. So there is phenomena told that this is acute coronary syndrome.